So what's the deal with essential oils? Do they work? Which ones are the best for thinning hair? Well, that's what we're talking about in today's video. Hi, I'm Dana LaVoie, an acupuncturist herbalist and the founder of Menopause Basics. I'm here to help you learn how to use natural remedies based in Chinese medicine to have happy hormones and feel great during and after menopause. And today we're talking about how you can use essential oils. As a Chinese herbalist, I love using plant-based medicine, and essential oils are a part of that. Now, of course, I can't make any claims as to what essential oils can or can't do, but in many cases, it seems that using certain essential oils in certain ways may help your hair to grow thicker and healthier. But in some studies and some use cases, it seems that using certain essential oils can help to stimulate hair growth. And there are certain essential oils that seem to have a special affinity for the scalp. And almost all essential oils have a lot of antifungal properties as well, which in some cases in particular is particularly helpful. It's just kind of a great thing to have on board. Helps your immune system keep any possible fungus at bay, which, as we talked about early in the series, is one of the possible causes of thinning hair. Now, one of my favorite essential oils for the scalp and the hair is rosemary, but there's a certain way that I like to use it, and I tend to blend it with a couple of other oils. One of my favorite things to do is to use equal parts rosemary, cedar, and clary sage essential oils diluted in a carrier oil. Like jojoba oil itself has some wonderful properties for the scalp and hair, so I like to put it in there. Make sure that it's diluted enough. You don't need too many oils in the carrier oil because they're so potent. And then what you can do is you can massage that, really massage it into your scalp about 3 times a week and leave it on for at least 20 minutes or even overnight. And of course, if you're having any skin sensitivity, you need to dilute the oils way more, or those ones might not be good for you. And again, please check with your healthcare practitioner before starting anything new, any new oils, just to make sure that it's safe for you. Once you've gotten cleared, then there are so many of these great natural remedies that you can use as part of your plan. And a last note is, please be sure and get really high quality essential oils. A lot of the low quality essential oils I don't feel comfortable using. I believe that they have a lot of fillers and other things besides essential oils in them that are not listed on the labels, and those are not great things to be putting on your body. There's a few brands that I really trust. One is doTERRA, one is Young Living, one is Living Libations. I think they're all really trustworthy and good. So I encourage you to buy high quality essential oils wherever you get them from. And if you haven't already, be sure to check out the other videos in this series on understanding hair loss, the 6 possible causes, why it affects some women more than others, and the videos on how to address all of those 6 causes on diet and herbs and supplements and all kinds of things to help you grow thicker, healthier hair. And if you want more natural remedies you can just start using right now at home, head on over to my website, danalavoielac.com. The link is below. And become one of my email insiders, because I will send my best hormone balancing tips, the ones I want everyone to know, straight to your email inbox, along with a free gift that you can download that'll really help you get started. And really, thanks so much for taking the time to hang out and watch with me today. I'll see you soon.